Embark on the journey in the world of investment, the vibrant Sri Lankan market. We will start by uncovering various promising investment options, showing you the doors that can open to the financial growth. Going forward, we analyze various industries using powerful tools like solve, investor, and industrial growth. Among them, we will find out about heartbeat of the market, that is banking sector. But doesn't stop there. Shine into commercial bank, the cornerstone of this banking sector. It will give you the first glimpse of their journey and their story. Then we explore commercial banks' strengths, weaknesses, and the way they fall through SWOT and financial issues. Finally, we will talk about practical side of investing. We are here to show you step by step how to invest, how to manage risk, and reap the rewards. So, come and join us to explore these opportunities, strategic insights, and practical wisdom. Thank you.
I would like to talk to you about investment avenues available in Sri Lanka. What is investment? Investment is purchasing financial or real asset with the intention of earning future return. The main objective of investor is to earn monetary return to maximize their earnings by sacrificing their existing consumption. Why Sri Lanka is preferred for investment? Since the 30-year war is over, Sri Lanka has gained attraction from both foreign and domestic investors as a potential investment location. The country is strategically located on the major shipping route in South Asian region, so it has emerged as the best attractive investment location in South Asian region. There are several investment avenues available in Sri Lanka. Let's see what are the investment opportunities existing in Sri Lanka. The first one is Colombo Stock Exchange. Colombo Stock Exchange is an organization which is responsible for stock market operations. It is facilitated to invest in public listed companies and to meet buyers and sellers at one place. CSE is a platform which is trading financial securities through brokerage firms such as ordinary shares, preferred shares, corporate debentures, and units of closed-end funds. Investors can also invest in government securities. Government is issuing treasury bonds and treasury bills. They are attached with lower risk as well as lower expected return than shares. The next one is fixed deposit. Fixed deposit accounts are offered by banks in Sri Lanka. They are offered fixed rate of return over a specific period of time, so it is beneficial for investors to invest in fixed deposits. Then mutual funds. In here, funds collected from multiple investors to invest in diversified portfolios.
Now let's talk about the banking sector of Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan banking sector is the primary component of the financial system and the largest contributor to the total asset in the financial system. Sri Lankan banking sector consisting of licensed commercial banks and licensed specialized banks. Before making investment, investors conduct industry analysis because it helps investors to make an informed decisions about their investment. So, we conduct industry analysis through Porter's 5 forces analysis, risk analysis, and challenges faced by banks. Now let's talk about why we select the banking sector for make our investment. After conducting this analysis, we can conduct that Sri Lankan banking sector faced significant challenges. Taking the period of 2019 to 2023, the attack on Easter Sunday in 2019 and the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and its impact on economic activities in 2021 and the economic crisis in 2022 affect the banking system of Sri Lanka. Despite numerous challenges, the banking industry has maintained stability. That's why we attract to this industry. Not only that, but also the banking sector show positive trends in terms of their past earnings in first quarter in 2023. This also led us to invest in the banking sector. But the main and most important reason for choosing the banking sector were ongoing local debt restructuring program. The price of bank share rose in the Colombo stock market as the government felt that the banking sector would be exempted from the debt restructuring. Due to this situation, there was a great demand for bank shares in the Colombo stock market, and thus the investors who bought bank shares got high return. After the industry analysis, we decided to invest in banking industry. Among the available opportunities, our selection was the Commercial Bank of Ceylon.
Let's take a closer look at the comprehensive profile of the commercial bank. Commercial banks with 100 years of experience provide various financial services to individuals, businesses, and institutions, generating revenue through loans and debt collection. Trend setting: Sri Lankan private banking leader maintains cultural identity, offers cutting-edge technology, and drives a dynamic team, setting standards and fostering unsurpassable trends. It has 100 years of unparalleled growth and achievement, having made a distinctive mark in Sri Lankan banking history. They stand out for their superlative services and technological superiority. Commercial Bank receives annual award from local and foreign organizations for outstanding contributions to the banking industry. Commercial Bank prioritizes sustainability in the business philosophy and conduct efforts through 5 strategic themes: financial inclusion, social and environmental risk assessment, green finance, environment conservation, and education.
Let's see the SWOT analysis of commercial bank. When it comes to strengths, the capacity of commercial bank to mobilize consumer deposits contributes to their solid financial position. Services offered by commercial bank are diverse and include checking and saving accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment products. When it comes to weaknesses, interest rate risk. Changes in interest rates have the potential to have a negative impact on the profitability of commercial bank. The commercial bank faces credit risk due to borrowers defaulting on loans, potentially causing significant losses and reducing their capital adequacy ratio.
Now let's move on to an insightful analysis of the company's financial health based on a comprehensive examination of its key financial ratios. In 2022, the company experienced a mixed financial performance, while its liquidity ratios remained acceptable, suggesting a healthy ability to meet short-term obligations. Profitability ratios saw a decline. Gross profit margin, net profit margin, return on assets, and return on equity all dropped, signaling potential difficulties in managing expenses and generating profits. Investor sentiment might be impacted as earnings per share, price to earnings ratio, and dividend yield decreased, potentially raising concerns about the company's financial health and investment appeal. Additionally, the gearing ratio worsened, with the debt equity ratio rising from 23.74 to 34.02%, indicating increased reliance on debt financing and higher financial risk. The interest cover ratio also declined, suggesting potential challenges in managing debt and interest payments using operational earnings. Despite some positive liquidity indicators, the company faces challenges in maintaining profitability, investor confidence, and prudent financial management.
Now I would like to justify our decision of choosing Commercial Bank PLC. It aligns with the long-term goals due to its strong financial performance and strategic positioning. The bank demonstrates operational efficiency and effective tax management with significant turnaround from a net loss, exceeding regulatory requirements in capital ratios, indicating a robust financial position. The bank maintains comfortable liquidity, well above minimum requirements, extensive branch network, SME lending, and global presence highlight operational strength. The bank focuses on sustainability and digital innovation, showcases leadership in responsible banking. Inclusion in the S&AP SL 20 index reinforces commercial bank's status. Moving on, recent share price recovery and technical indicators suggest a potential bullish trend. Both indicators align with the positive stock movement, supporting a potential upward trend. Additionally, on 4th of July 2023, we observe both the parabolic SAR and RSI indicators demonstrating upward movements. The parabolic SAR indicating potential reversal points, aligned with the stock price movement. The RSI, a momentum oscillator, hinted at growing buying momentum and positive investor sentiment. Overall, the investment decision is well founded, combining fundamental strength and positive technical signals for Commercial Bank PSC.
I am excited to share our investment journey in Commercial Bank with you today as a part of our investment team. Our journey began on 4th of July as we decided to invest in Commercial Bank. We purchased 200 shares at an average price of 81 rupees per share. To execute our investment, we chose LOLC as our trusted broker and utilized the A-Trade platform for our trading activities. Our investment strategy was grounded in comprehensive research and analysis. We carefully considered various factors such as bank's financial health, industry trends, and market conditions, and technical analysis to make informed decisions. We closely monitored our investment performance using the A-Trade platform, which provided us with real-time updates on stock prices and portfolio performance. This allowed us to make timely decisions, adapt to changing market conditions, and note down our gains and losses weekly. Now, let's talk about the result. At the end of the month, our investment had seen its fair share of fluctuations. Initially, we faced a temporary setback with market value lower than our initial investment. However, as time progressed, the stock value rebounded significantly. Our investment journey taught us valuable lessons in strategic decision making. We encountered challenges along the way but remained committed to our investment strategy. These experiences have enhanced our understanding of the dynamics of the stock market. In conclusion, our investment in Commercial Bank was an enlightening experience. We managed to turn initial challenges into opportunities, resulting in an overall unrealized gain of 3,641.76 Sri Lankan rupees, representing a 22.23 increase in value over the course of the month. Thank you for your attention.